Here we have a 2023 Starcraft 211 SVX outboard with black and white, sitting on a Starcraft trailer with swing away tongue and brakes. See the nice easy grab handles, bimini top, which unfortunately is not in the up position because of our low clearance ceiling. .150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine with power tilt and trim and hydraulic steering. Rear swim ladder. Standing at the transom, you got a nice usable swim platform with marine mat, removable ski tow bar. Bimini top is laying down because of our ceiling clearance. Easy walk through transom, again with marine mat. Full flooring with all snap-on marine mat. Thigh rise bolster for the helm chair. Good instrumentation with remote control for the stereo. 14-person capacity. In-floor ski locker. Entertainment area. Nice big deep bow seats. Table with mounting bracket. Easy step out onto the front deck. Also covered in marine mat for boarding and unboarding boat. Anchor storage with front ladder. Huge seating configuration, arena style seating, storage underneath all of these seats. Boat also comes with snap-on cover.